Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another Color Street Color Play subscription box unboxing. This is for the month of May. This is Tropical Garden Party. Just got home and saw this and I had to do a video of the unboxing, even though I tried really hard not to, see any spoilers and all that. I've been getting these boxes later and later when I used to get them like way earlier than some, but now I'm getting I'm like one of the last people to get them and I don't know why, but it's okay. We're gonna unbox it anyways because I tried again to avoid any spoilers. I have seen some images because, when you're scrolling through Facebook and IG, and if people don't have them, posted as a spoiler alert or whatever, you end up seeing things, right? So hopefully I'm not spoiling the surprise for you. So if you are clicking on here to watch this video, either you already unboxed yours and you just want to know what I think, first impressions, or, you aren't subscribed and you just want to know what's in it and you haven't seen other videos, or maybe you have. Doesn't matter. We are unboxing this thing really quick before going to bed. So here we go. Tropical Garden Party. I'm excited because this is the month of May. This is my birthday month. And even though it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday, still very excited. All right. Here we go. Tropical Garden Party. We've got our little pamphlet, which I love that they do this. Please, Color Street, Fall Park, don't ever take these away. I love collecting these, and I don't know why. It's not like I follow, the different options that they show, but I still very much love having the pamphlet. So in this month's box, you're invited to Color Play's Tropical Garden Party. Indulge in an exotic paradise filled with energetic flora and lively colors. This box features vivid solids, a sweet shimmer dip, a rich orchid shimmer dip, and a glitter overlay to elevate your manicure. Follow any of the 3 suggested nail designs or create your own bespoke look. Oh man, I'm kind of excited. Oh. What is that green, though? Oh, my goodness. Here's a little scan me. You can scan that to watch the videos on the different manis. These are the different strips. So, meet the strips. Floral notes, champagne fizz, lychee rosé, matcha, and raspberry tart. Ooh, bonus item. It looks like a palm leaf coaster. Very nice, very nice. All right. Oh, ha! Here I'm one palm leaf coaster. No, no, no. 4 coasters. Hey, that's actually really cool. Oh, that's fun. I obviously don't need 4 myself. Might just have to give these as gifts to friends, because that's pretty awesome. Yeah, alright. Okay, bonus item out of the way. And we've got the usual nail prep pad and the Color Street nail file. My nieces actually love these. They took I have a whole bunch of them unwrapped, all wrapped up, and I don't use them. And they took the majority of them to keep for whatever they're going to do with them. I have no idea. But this one's one of my favorites with the little hearts. So, and then the usual little thing. This one's a nice cardstock one, not a flimsy paper. It's the little details that are really speak to me. All right, so this one must be, yeah, the lychee rosé. And it's a shimmer, it looks like. I don't know if you could see that, as far as the lighting goes, but how do you describe this? Kind of a coral peachy. It leans more orange than it does pink, which I like, and it's very almost metallic, but I believe it's a shimmer. So that's actually pretty. But I'm definitely going to layer it with something because I can't see myself wearing that all by itself. And then this one reminds me of Peaked My Luminosity, which I absolutely love, and I'm sad that they took it away. This one's called Champagne Fizz. So maybe like a cross between Champagne Sugar and Peaked My Luminosity. Looks like it might be a glitter overlay. Let's see what the pamphlet says, because I don't want to guess. I want to know. Yes, glitter clear overlay. That's going to look pretty for sure on darker colors. I don't know if I'm going to put it on Lychee Rosé or not. We'll see. We'll see. I do like doing the subscription box manis with just the strips included in the subscription box, but sometimes some of these, they look like they would go well with like a darker color, and they don't seem to include very many dark colors. This one's Raspberry Tart. Raspberry Tart. What are you, Raspberry Tart? Raspberry Tart is a delight in this sweet light raspberry shimmer dip. Ooh, a shimmer dip. That's new. So shimmer dip. I'm thinking that it might be a little bit clear. I guess we'll have to test it and find out when we use the subscription box to do a mani. And then this one is matcha. Matcha. Does that feel like there's air in it? Ooh, it's also a shimmer. Oh my gosh. Okay, fun fact. Green used to be my favorite color, like my #1 favorite color, because this Taurus, born in May, emerald, you know. But I gravitate towards purples more, so purple is now my favorite color, but green is a very close second. And this green is divine. It's got like gold shimmer in it, and I'm very excited about that, because, yeah. My lighting is not doing it justice, because it's a beautiful green. I can't wait to wear this one for sure. Might cut it up, actually, if I have, like, some kind of hole punch to cut that up. I might do that. Last but not least, this one is one I saw a spoiler for, and I'm excited about it, but also I'm like, I don't know, because I thought the flowers would look more like hibiscus flowers, like Hawaiian hibiscus flowers, but this is more abstract than I had anticipated. But this is another glitter, what is it called? Shimmer dip? Glitter dip. It is called an orchid patterned shimmer dip. So that actually looks like it'll be really fun. I'm interested to see what that looks like. I want to try it over the green. For some reason, I'm like, but that might end up being too, like, Christmassy, right? Green and red and goldish might be too Christmassy. This one is Floral Notes. So, as far as a cohesive mixed mani, I don't know if all of these are going to go well together, but look at the value of that. This box, $30 plus tax. That includes shipping. And you end up with, this is 5 full sets here. Color Street, keep doing this, okay? Like these 5 full sets. We love this. As a fan, we love having the extra strips. So keep this coming. This is the value we want from our subscription boxes. But again, as far as cohesiveness, I don't know. Because definitely these two, the colors are very similar. So I can see them going together. But like, how do you incorporate all of them together? That's gonna be the challenge, isn't it? Because I don't know if I'll use them all together actually, because yeah, right now I'm just looking at them and going, they don't all go together. But we will figure it out. you'll see. Stay tuned when I do my mixed mani with this box. But color-wise, I ain't mad at it. And this is great value. So this is rivaling the Hidden Treasure box, which that one was my all-time favorite right now so far. Might still be, but I don't know, because this green, I'm digging this green. So yeah. And of course, this right here, Champagne Fizz, that's very much like piqued my luminosity. I love this. So yeah. The sad thing is that this is it. You can't buy these on their own. You had to have gotten them in this sub box. So that's the only thing that makes me sad, but I will be very excited to wear these. So stay tuned for when I actually do a mixed mani with it. These though, which of my buddies am I going to hand some of these out to? Because they're really cute. So yeah. Or maybe I can keep one in the office, one in the home office. Then I got 2 more. So I don't know. You can hear that. ASMR. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Again, I'm digging the box, especially the value of it. Stay tuned again for when I actually use the strips. And, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.